Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates. We are your estate planning and elder law firm. Today's topic is, Jeff, what if I don't have family? What if I don't have anyone to name as a power of attorney or an executor? And frankly, I don't even know who I would leave my assets to. I don't have children. I don't have close family members. You know, believe it or not, this does come up. And it is a very difficult sort of situation to guide someone through, because in their mind, they don't have any family that they would want to name, whether it be to act as a power of attorney or executor, or where to leave their assets. So let's break it down a little bit. As far as the assets go, you know, I always tell people, you know, find a church or a charity or something that you believe in their mission and you can get behind them. If you don't have any people in your life that you want to provide for, then maybe look at a nonprofit. And that would be a great way to leave a legacy. And a lot of these organizations will certainly do things in your honor and maybe name a room after you or do wonderful things. I would also recommend in that situation to contact the York Community Foundation. We are very lucky in York to have such a thriving community foundation that helps, I believe, every nonprofit in York County or very close near to it. They have foundations set up there as well that you would be able to provide and leave a legacy. So I would look there if you don't have anyone to name. As far as powers of attorney and executor goes, there are local institutions, banks, trust companies, and private individuals who maybe used to be a trust officer or a bank officer or financial advisor, and now they're acting in that capacity. And there are a few registered nurses or retired healthcare professionals that will sometimes act in the healthcare side as well. I decided not to leave specific names on this video because honestly they come and go, and I don't want to date this video by naming somebody who is no longer with us and providing that service. My recommendation is to still contact your attorney, give us a call and let us know, and we'll provide the names that we have at that time for people who may act as a financial POA, a medical POA, and an executor. And then you can interview them, you can make sure that you're comfortable with them and decide what to do with your assets. I urge people to not allow these excuses or these things to stop you or paralyze you. Keep moving forward. Keep finding out more about the local charities and the local organizations and local individuals who will act. Doing nothing is not the best answer. You don't want to leave it to the government. You don't want it to rely on the intestate rules where the government decides who gets it, or the government gets to decide in a guardianship through the courts, through a judge, who the guardian is caring for you. You make that decision. You decide that for yourself. So keep the ball moving. Give us a call. We'd be more than happy to provide as much guidance as possible. We look forward to seeing you in the future.